My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh, make una come out, oh, make una come hear matter. Hey, tori don war. Marriage wey dey keep for how many years now? Wey dey hide say over perfection dey worry am. Omo, e don become another thing entirely. Oh. Now, Snatcher Association of the World dey inside the marriage, while the Olakunle Churchill no dey for inside marriage again. Shebi if man dey for inside marriage, he should know. No be say na another person na him go come dey tell am say, shebi you are married na, him go come dey look himself say, am I married? God abeg o. Now online in-laws don dey talk am say all the gbogbo wey dey take hold am, he don finally set himself free o. Say prayer of NSDPP dey really dey work, and Tonto Dike wan collect im mantle back. She wan possess her possession last last. My people, make una draw una chair come closer o. Make una come hear the drama between Rosie Mora and Olakunle Churchill family on top of this their marriage drama wey circulate the media space ever since Tonto Dike reconcile with Olakunle Churchill because of her son, because she wanted her son to get closure with the father, and that she's letting to let go. She want to now let go for peace to reign. But Rosie no wan make peace reign o. Ever since the settlement, she no get am for peace at all at all. Na so she just dey take jump from one place to the other. And now she don finally jump enter inside ogbono soup. Before I go cap una the koko of the leaf, make I no come forget to do the needful. I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had to so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing o. Marriage wey Olakunle Churchill and Rosie Mora dey manage for 10 years now. Time don reach, breeze don blow, fowl yansh don finally open. Olakunle Churchill family say Olakunle no dey do again. Rosie family say Olakunle never tell them say he no dey marry again. Say if he no dey marry again, he know what to do. Say them, they are not aware. Hey, they are not aware that the marriage is dissolved. Say if then they aware, therefore no bother to dey call. According to the information, una know to say Rosie Mora is from Delta State, which is her mama na from Delta State, while her papa na from Gambia, a Dutch. Na they call them na abi. Make una correct me for the comment section. For man way from Gambia, se be na Dutch father they call them. So her papa na from Gambia, while the mama na from Delta State. Then Olakunle Churchill on the other end, he na from Ondo State. He was being born and brought up in Ondo State. Like as we speak right now, in mama, in family, they see they for Ondo State. So it is now Ondo against Delta State. Now she is Nigerian nationality. Now she be, but in papa na Gambia, now in be. So to cut the long story short, as this whole drama they circulate the media space, where Tonto Dike they do to pepper Rosie where people they advise her say make she even go collect Cameroon pepper, pound am where make it done, make she put her for inside water, they sprinkle am, make it enter where it supposed enter. Anybody wey no close eye na him sabi. We will come day when the family of Olakunle Churchill come to say make Tonto Dike take over the daughter of Olakunle Churchill, wey be day wey Rosie come out on live video with Daddy Freeze telling us that Olakunle Churchill daughter dey with her for how many years now. say she don't carry am come media space, of course not, but the girl has been with her, nobody is aware. The same girl now the family come carry her hand over to Tonto Dike, say make Tonto Dike do with the girl anything wey she wan do with her. As from now henceforth, na she born the girl na im daughter, while the Tonto Dike na the girl mother, knowing fully well that the girl mother is alive. But because of the role wey Tonto Dike play while she was with Churchill that time, wey the mama of the girl and Olakunle Churchill dey get misunderstanding on top of the girl matter, I no gree, wey Tonto Dike come in, come stand say abeg make dem settle their differences. This one na female child, and you know the relationship between a female child and their father. Abeg make dem no scatter the relationship like this, make dem try look for how dem go take settle their sef and move on. And to the glory of God, that talk wey Tonto Dike go talk that year, e really work, because the mother too come check am go check am come. E allow Olakunle Churchill have access to im daughter. So ever since, the girl dey come, dey do holiday, she go back. So at some point, Olakunle Churchill come go carry the girl. According to the information, according to the Rosie, he carry the girl come drop am with Rosie. Na only God know, according to the girl, say na only God know wetin her eye see for Rosie hand. So tey even earring, the girl no wear come Tonto Dike son King Andres birthday, wey be say na Tonto na im see her carry earring, carry put for her, say take. Say when Rosie was there, e stop her make she no dey wear earring. Even though some people say na good upbringing, say some parents dey like that, they no like make their daughters dey wear earring. Maybe Rosie dey part of them, this one, that one. Some dey say na wow, stinginess at its peak, because of say no be her pikin, she dey treat the girl anyhow wey she like. So different speculation here and there. So whether na the confession wey the girl go confess to Olakunle Churchill, because Olakunle no dey always dey around, na the girl and Rosie na dem dey always dey. Whether she confess to her father all the things wey Rosie dey do to her, how she take dey maltreat her, she dey behave with her and all, na im Olakunle too, im come go explain to im family, because im bin wan carry the girl go keep for im mama place, say she go dey more safer there, because him is not always around. And for the Rosie again, she come travel go Cancun, go dey chop Adora's kitchen up and down. So all the things put together shows that something was wrong somewhere. When this whole drama starts, when she come out, when they do King Andre birthday, where we say no be small epic settings, everybody gather, they celebrate. Tonto Dike come revert all the insult, all the curse which she don't cause Olakunle, pray for am as a husband and as a father, as her ex. All the things where we say she don't use her mouth curse before the man, that's why she still kneel down before the public. So also pray for am, forgive am for absolutely everything, because she go don't do am for in the hidden, but she still want to come and do it publicly, because now publicly now she come out, come insult and call her different names. So as she was able to do all those things put together, people can't go they tag Rosie, and Tonto Dike won't take possession, she won't take over her husband, Rosie. After which she come to say she be queen of all queen. At that time she can't know, say she won't yarn her own story, saying that she can do anything for Olakunle Churchill, she can take groundnuts for she can buy herself for this one, that one. She never knew Tonto Dike before, and she only saw her when she was pregnant, when they meet for party. Come expose herself by herself with her hand. People can't still they drag her or say she can't talk her own story, saying that nobody should tell her story for her. Now she go use her mouth talk her story. People say, oh yeah, bring it on. He come finally expose himself, making everybody now believe that that time wey Tonto Dike they come out, come cry, you make everybody look her like say she don't dey kolo mentus, whereas she was actually saying the truth. Because now you just come confirm her to the whole world that Tonto Dike was actually saying the truth and nothing more. So where the day they talk that one they go, now they say Rosie now family come go meet the family of Olakunle Churchill, saying that they see all the whole drama where they happen for social media, and also the thing where Olakunle Churchill do now, by carrying girl wey be say e dey under Rosie, carry am go give Tonto Dike make e stay with Tonto Dike. Unto which level dem no understand. Say for Delta State dem no dey do like that. Say your ex, you come carry your daughter go give your ex. Na im dey say dis very daughter wey dem dey talk about so, Olakunle no marry im mama, na baby mama. So if he come now carry am go give im ex wey im think say na im go better pass to take care of the girl, how is that the problem? He say okay no wahala, if una no wan give am to my daughter, no problem. Dem come say but then remember say dem tell your daughter to return back. She should leave Cancun and return back to Nigeria if she really want to keep Olakunle Churchill. Una remember inside last month na information burst say dem tell Rosie Mora say it is time for her to return. Say which wife go leave im husband house for how many months now go stay for Cancun? Wetin e dey do for Cancun? They say Rosie say she go come, she no later come. Dem come say okay, dem don give her 2 good weeks to think am and to finalize if she is coming back, that if she want to keep this marriage of hers, she should return back in 2 weeks time with immediate effect. Still Rosie no gree return o. Na im dem come conclude within their mind say e be like say Rosie no wan do the marriage again, wey make dem come take that decision by carrying that girl instead of her to come stay with Olakunle Churchill mama. Na im dem carry her go give Tonto Dike make she stay with Tonto Dike, telling Tonto Dike say anything wey she wan do make she do. After all, she too she dey handle children. She don give so many children scholarship. She get foundation wey be say e dey take care of all those things. So adding Olakunle Churchill daughter to am no go be big deal for Tonto Dike. Say abeg make she take over. Dem give her to am. Now as she hear that one, na that one na im come scatter their head, wey make e call im family. Im family come go there. As dem go, they say they are not comfortable, this one that one. Na im dey say the last time they checked, they no sure whether the marriage between Olakunle Churchill and Rosie still dey active, because the last time they checked, they asked your daughter to return back, she refused. So which married woman go stay for outside, a husband go dey here, knowing fully well that men are polygamous in nature? What if he start in Academus another woman? How many months now you no gree return to come even change oil for the man? You dey there and you dey expect say make he no settle with him ex, or make he no do otherwise, unless the marriage no dey again. Na im the mother come say she's from Delta State, and the law of Delta State is that if you are not marrying a woman again, you as a man should come and return bride price and do the necessary things that ought to be done. Then at that time they go know say yes, you are serious. But for the fact say he never return bride price, then they are not aware of any separation between Olakunle Churchill and their daughter Rosie. So for that reason, nothing concern them, concern anything wey dey talk, that they are still married, and he has no right until he has returned the bride price before he will have the right to start dey date another person, not to come talk of say he wan marry another person. So in as well as say he never return the bride price, anything wey Olakunle Churchill family dey talk, that one concern them o. Say this one no be something of negotiation or something of abeg. It is what it is. Na how their tradition dey be that. People of Delta State, make una come o. This one na for una. Make una educate us for the comment section. Na true na Rosie Mora people dey talk, abi dem dey just wan talk? But wetin me I know be say if na the woman say she no go do again, na the man go return bride price, abi na even if the man say he no go do the marriage again, he go return bride price so that the woman can be set free. Abi na how they even do am sef? Talk. Make una come drop am for the comment section o. We are all learning on daily basis. Now the family say they are not aware of any separation, and that Olakunle Churchill have no right to marry any other woman unless he return bride price, and he go return the bride price na till they agree. If they want, if they like, na they go collect the bride price, and until Rosie agree say she's done with the marriage before they go collect the bride price, then the both of them go move on. Say but if any of them oppose, then marriage cannot be dissolved. So for that reason they are still married, and not even Tonto or any woman can come in between them for now until everything is finalized. My people, drama don begin o. This is just the beginning of the drama. The one wey we dey run away from e just about to get started. My people, no be small thing o. They say Olakunle Churchill don tear race. E don go meet where God dey. Now where God no dey now, say she's not aware, say she no dey for the marriage again, because true true e might be possible that she is not aware, because she go that the freeze life go talk say she fit kpai herself for Olakunle Churchill. Now Olakunle Churchill wey you fit kpai for don run now go meet another woman, which is im ex-wife. E don tear race go meet her, even don carry im pikin already go give her, meaning they are about to settle. Now you say you are not aware of any separation, say una never separate, you are not aware. Okay o, you go soon dey aware when bride price go come, if that one na im be the koko. Now make una see the tactics, say they go bring bride price. Na if Rosie agree, na im they go collect bride price. And now una say make him go bring bride price. Now una now still dey talk and say until Rosie agree. My people, e don dey happen. E don talk am, we don talk am, we don talk am, we don talk am. Hey, thunder don fire am. Egungun be careful, na express we dey go. Hey, Egungun be careful, na express we dey go. We don talk am, we don talk am, e don enter, we don talk am. Na im be this one so. My people, husband snatchers association of the world, if only na like this they go dey do them, e for dey sweet me. Even then they for no collect person property. Omo, I pray make this whole thing make e be reality, make the information dey very very correct. Then Rosie Mora go learn the hard way. She go learn in her next life. If she see person wey don marry, na she go run 360. Even if they dey get misunderstanding, na she go even dey tell them say abeg make una try settle, say na so e dey be o, no perfection anywhere, instead of being a shoulder for him to cry on. Na you go dey pursue am with broom, say go abeg, go 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 go, no wan wahala. My people, na the matter be this o. I say make I come tell una o, make I come drop am for una as e dey hot, make una hear update. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.